All right, here's the simple truth. If you're thinking about getting a dog for the first time, some breeds are especially good for beginners, okay? They're friendly, they're easy to train, and they're generally good with families. So here's some of the best dogs for beginners, okay? Number one, the Labrador Retriever. Labs are very friendly and easy to train. They love being around people and get along well with kids and other pets, okay? They have a lot of energy, so they enjoy playing and going for walks. In second place is the Beagle. Beagles are small and friendly dogs. They're very curious, they love to play. They're also good with children, so they don't require a lot of grooming. That's very important for a lot of people. Number three, the Cavalier King Charles Spaniel. These dogs are very affectionate and they get along well with everybody, okay? They're small, so it makes them great for families with limited space. And they enjoy cuddling and they're very easy to train, okay? Number four, the Poodle. Poodles come in different sizes, by the way. Standard, miniature, and toy, okay? They're smart and they're easy to train. They also don't shed much, which is great for keeping your house clean. Let's go to the fifth one, the Bichon Frise. Bichons are small, happy dogs that are good with kids. They have curly fur that doesn't shed much, but they do need regular grooming, okay? These breeds are great choices for beginners because they're friendly, trainable, and make wonderful family pets.